Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we will talk about how we can download and install latest version of Microsoft Office in Macintosh. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let me open my browser and here we will be typing office.com. Now you will see the interface like this whenever we visit this page. Before we move further, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed yet, then kindly consider subscribing to this channel as we keep on bringing more such productivity videos. Now let's go back to our topic, which is how we can install latest version of Office in Macintosh. And as we are already here in office.com, the first thing you need to do is you need to create your account. And now if I click here on sign in, you will be getting this option which says create account. So if you haven't bought Office yet or you do not have any account, then I would suggest you to create new account. Creating account is a pretty straightforward process. Just you require to enter your email address, then you need to create your password, and then you need to verify your email, and likewise you can easily create your Microsoft account. After creating your account, simply click on sign in and log in with your ID. Now we are at our office.com interface. Let's say you want to work online, then you are ready. You can simply click on this menu button and then from here you can start any Office application. But in this case, we would like to install the complete Office application in our system. So for that, we need to get Office license first. So in order to get Office license, what we can do is, let me just go back and quickly show you some of Office plans that are available. So in order to check which Office version is best for you, you can click here on product and then you can click either on pricing for home. This will basically going to show you all the plans that are available for home. So here we can see based on your need, you can either go for Office 365 family or 365 personal. Let's say you want furthermore discount, then instead of buying from here, you can actually buy this from Amazon. And let me quickly show you. So there we go. Here we can see. However, if you buy it from official website, the same Office license cost slightly expensive, which is 4899. So if you want cheaper deal, then for sure you can get it from Amazon. So you obviously getting extra discount. At the same time, you will be getting same software and same capability. So it's up to us whether we want to buy it from Microsoft website or from any other website. Anyway, I will keep both link in the description of this video. And not only Office 365 comes with paid yearly plan, but it also comes with paid monthly plan. So if you want to try it first, then you can go with monthly plan as well. For example, you want to work it for business. In that case, you can go for business plans as well. Business plan will give you extra application, for example SharePoint, where you can create a local website that's going to help float information within your organization. Not only that, you will be getting more such enterprise tools that are specifically designed for professional environment and going to provide more value if you go with Microsoft 365 business. However, maybe these features are not relevant for home users. So for home user, maybe this Clipchamp video player makes sense, which is again not available for business users. So I would suggest you to go with the version of Office that make perfect sense in your case. Now coming back to how we can install Microsoft Office in our system. After we successfully sign in and receive the license, what we can do is we can visit same office.com and then simply we need to click here on install apps and then click on Microsoft 365 apps. So this will basically download the complete setup. With the help of home, we will be installing complete Office suite in this Macintosh. And there we go. We have successfully downloaded. So simply we need to make a double click on it and then we can click on continue. Then again press continue, click on agree and then select the disk where we want to install. I want to install it in default location. So I'm gonna keep everything as it is and then I'm gonna click on continue. Then you require to enter your Macintosh password. Now the whole process is automatic, so we can simply wait for the process to get completed. And there we go, we have successfully installed Microsoft Office in Macintosh. But wait, we haven't configured it yet the way we want. So let me just click on close and move the setup in bin, because now we already have installed it, so I do not need it. Now here we have certain options that you can configure. For example, you can define or decide how the way you want to receive update. For example, you can go with current channel, or if you are interested in getting latest update, then you can go with beta channel. So in this way guys, we can define the way we want to receive these updates. And now let's say you want to check, then we can click here on check for update, and here we can see everything is up to date. Now we can close it and we will start any Office application. Let me quickly start Word. Now when we start these applications for the first time, they will ask us to provide credential. So you need to click here on sign in, and then you can provide your Office credential. Providing your credential is very essential guys, as it will then start saving your document in cloud, as well as it will also enable autosave functionality. And you do not need to sign in into every Office application, so you just need to provide credential for one time in any application and you are good to start. So in this way guys, we can download and install latest Office application in Macintosh. Microsoft Office 365 also allow you to install same license in 5 different devices, and you can always check out all your devices by visiting the following link, which is admin.microsoft.com/account. So if you visit this link, you will able to see in how many systems you have installed. So just visit this link and click on view apps and devices. Here you will able to see in how many devices you so far have installed Office. And then if you find any extra devices, here you also have option to manage your license. So you can simply sign out. Let's say you do not use that device anymore, so you can click on sign out. So in this way guys, we can manage all 5 devices. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such content. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.